Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is April again, and for today's episode, I will be sharing something personal, and it's not going to be about work, so huwag kayong mag-alala. This is something new for us because this is another first for Jaggy and I. Today, I will be sharing with you our first tattoo session as a couple. But if you do want to see what happened, how we picked the designs, just keep on watching. So yesterday, Jaggy and I had our tattoo session with a tattoo artist na nirefer ng aking close friend, and we were able to pick certain designs or pegs na feeling namin bagay sa amin. So for me, I chose something na very cute and parang girly lang, ganun. Tapos hindi siya ganun kalaki din. So since I'm just starting to really explore what I want, I started picking at least small 3x3 designs. So kay Jaggy, he created his own design, which is I love kasi it's very personal. Although sinasabi niya na walang meaning, but I know na feeling ko may meaning din yun. So in here, I'll be sharing with you kung ano yung napili kong design. So for my wrist, ito yung napili kong design. And for my triceps, ito naman. So I got my designs in Pinterest, and if you want to also get a tattoo or get tattoo inspirations, you can also visit Pinterest. For Jaggy, he initially have this design, and then he just customized it into something personal or something really just for him. So, yan. So, if you want to see the process, kung ano nangyari, paano siya ginawa, gaano katagal ginawa, just keep on watching. While waiting for our tattoo artist, I will be eating my light merienda or dinner or early dinner. So put it in here, microwave. Oh my gosh, sobrang init. So mainitan ko ata. Yeah. So this is my light merienda. This is an omelette and Italian sausage because ako ay naka-diet. And merienda na. Amen. Ayan. Sila yung magkatattoo sa amin. Si Kuya Rek referred ni Kale. Hi, Kuya Rek.
Ano may sipa? Sipa yung buhok niya dun eh.
Napanood niya yun
Tapos na?
Ayan. Tama naman.
Yung pala, kala ko masakit.
Alam ko nga masakit eh. Very good lang pala ako sabi ni teacher. Okay na po to.
Sa isang part na?
Or left. Left na lang. Na naalam. Sakit pa ito. Sige, iniba. Okay na po. Ito na lagi mga posting ko. Parang ito lagi yun. Ako yan. Yung mga stars, hindi na yan kukulain. Na black ha. Remain na sila.
Lining lang.
So, tapos na akong malagyan ng tattoo. I have one here. Actually, kanina pa. Nag-dinner na nga kami. And I also have one here. As you can see, it's Saturn, which is my favorite planet. And meron din Saturn V na rocket. So, ito naman yung kay Jackie. Hi, baby! Normal daw, babe. Exhale mo yan. So, this is what Jackie have in mind. So, i-anay naman natin yung boyfriend. Kailangan na gumagana ako kasi may tattoo na ako dito, guys. Kailangan naman dito na kayo. Ayan siya. How are you feeling? Feeling great? Sakit?
Sakit po.
Ha?
Hindi po. Sakit po.
Parang sakit, parang sakit. Sure ko lang. Paano yung sakit sa face? So, ano po yung deep meaning ng tats mo?
Parang gusto ko yung part na complement ko sa shape ng katawan. Geometric shapes.
So, sa future, ganun pa rin. Sunod pa rin sa theme.
Sa future, so talagang
yeah, I feel like may kakaroon ka ng next tat.
more on talagang lines and geometric shapes naman siya. Walang picture, walang images.
So, wala pong possibility na magkaroon ng face ko sa body niyo. Kaya pa. We're done! And nagkakape na si Kuya Rek kasi medyo pinagad siya ng tattoo na design ng ni Jaggy. Can I see? Can I see your arms? Wow. Pati papala. Joke lang. Ganda. Bagay. Bagay tayo. Joke. Kadiri. It's already past 11 and now lang natapos yung tattoo session namin. Umalis na sila Kuya Rek and yung wife niya. And here's Jaggy. As you can see, his arm is already done. Pakita mo, babe. Pakita mo. So, how do you feel naman?
Ma'am, happy. Okay naman yung ano. Yung tats. Ganda naman.
I know, right? So, guys, ayun. If you want to have your tattoo rin, just visit the description box right there. I will put Kuya Rek's profile. And from there, you can book an appointment with him.
Home service pa.
So, again, this is April. And I have a guest right here, Jaggy. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!